Okay, all of you EVS copy. Now today I will revise your term 1 chapter. Okay, EVS class 3, fine. All of you open your EVS copy. Good morning all of you. Okay. Next, number 1. Tick the correct options. Okay. Tick the correct options. Tick the correct options. Number, all of you students open your EVS copy. Number A. This food is deep fried. This food is deep fried. Options are chapatis, 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 puris, and rice. Okay. Next, number B. Number B is tall and strong plants are called tall and strong plants are called shrubs. SHRUBS. Shrubs, herbs, or trees. Number C. Number C is croc. Croc is sound of an animal. Pig, pig, fox, or frog. Students, am I audible to you? Okay. Now write down quickly, okay? Next, number D. Water is necessary. WATER, water is necessary. NECESSARY. Necessary for drinking, growing, growing plants. Growing plants. cleaning, and all of this. Okay. Next number E. Number E. Till the age of 4 months, a baby can have. Till the age of 4 months, a baby can have only have only milk, chapati, dal. Next number F. Next number F. Who taught cycling to Anwari and her cousins? Who taught cycling to Anwari and her cousins? Options are her uncle, her aunt, okay, her uncle, her aunt, her friends. Next number G. Okay. Next number G. Number G. Most healthy method is most healthy method is roasting, frying, and boiling. Okay. So number one, tick the correct options. This food is deep fried. Chapatis, puris, and rice. Right answer. Yeah. Yes, write down in your chat box, okay? Yes, very good. Puris. Next, number B. Tall and strong plants are called shrubs, herbs, and trees. Yes, very good. Tall and strong plants are called trees. So, right answer is trees. Next number C. Croak croak is sound of an animal. Pig, fox and frog. Croak. The answer is frog. Yes, very good. Croak croak is sound of an animal. Right answer is frog. Yes, frog. Students, write down in your chat box any answers. Next number D. Water is necessary for drinking, growing plants, cleaning, and last one, all of these. Water is necessary for drinking, growing plants, cleaning, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Because for drinking purpose, for growing plants and also cleaning, we use water. So water is necessary, all of these. That is drinking, very good Naurin, drinking, growing plants and cleaning also. Next number E. Till the age of 4 months. Till the age of 4 months, a baby can have only milk, chapati or dal. Till the age of 4 months, a baby, yes, can have only milk, not chapati, not dal, only milk. Till, yes, till the age of 4 months, a baby can have only milk. Next, number F. Who taught cycling to Anwari and her cousins, her uncle, her aunt, and her friend? Her uncle, her aunt, and her friend. Option is right answer, her uncle. Her uncle taught her cycling to Anwari and her cousins. Next number G. Yes, uncle. Most healthy method is roasting, frying or boiling. Right answer is boiling. Yes, boiling. Boiling. Most healthy method is boiling. Okay. So this food is deep fried, that is puri. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Croak croak is sound of an animal, that is frog. Water is necessary for drinking, growing plants, cleaning and all of this, all of these. Next number E. Till the age of 4 months, a baby can have only milk. Who taught cycling to Anwari and her cousins? That is her uncle. And number F, number G, who most healthy method is boiling. Next, completed. Okay. Number 1. What is the main source of water? What is the main source of water? River, font and rain. Next, number 2. Which one is medicinal plant? Which one is medicinal plant? Tulsi, Tulsi, Neem, Pudina, and all of these. Next, number 3. Slow, and steady is my pace. I always win the race. That is, options are frog, rabbit, 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 and tortoise. Food given in Gurudwara, Gurudwara, that is langar, feast, or yes. Is my pace. I always win the race. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. Options are frog, rabbit, tortoise. Okay? Food given in Gurudwara, that is langar. Write down quickly. Feast and dinner. Next, number 5. What are cooking utensils made of? Steel, silver, or gold. Next, number 6. What are cooking utensils made of? Steel, silver, or gold? Yes. As Gurudwara, that is langar, feast or dinner. Food given in Gurudwara called. Okay. Next, number 6. We should dash water. Play with, save or waste. Okay. What is the main source of water? River, pond or rain? What is the main source of water? River. Yes, very good. Rain is the main source of water. Right answer is rain. Next, number 2. Which one is medicinal plant? Tulsi. Yes. Yes. Tulsi, neem, pudina, both are medicinal plants. So which one is medicinal plant? Not one. Tulsi, neem, pudina, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Okay. Next, number 3. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. Options are frog, rabbit, tortoise. Right answer? Yes, very good. Tortoise. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win the race. That is tortoise. Okay. Next, number 4. Food given in Gurudwara, that is called, yes, langar. Options are langar, feast and dinner. So food given us in Gurudwara is called langar. So take the correct option, langar. Okay. Next, what are cooking utensils made of? That is steel, silver or gold. Yes, that is steel. And we should dash water. We should save water. Okay. We should save water. We should save water. Right answer is save. So now today's time is over and your term 1 syllabus we have already known. Poonam's day out, the plant fairy, water oh water, our first school, Chotu's house, foods we eat and what is cooking. Okay, completed. Okay.